wait, did we just rush to conclude that McG used Thandeka for views? Because what we are currently seeing is like contradictory to what we have been saying online. We all remember that Thandeka went to the podcast and jokingly asked to be the brand ambassador of Chilla's Punch, but when the ambassadors were announced, Didintle and others were announced as the brand ambassadors of Chilla's Punch, and everyone online was like, Thandeka was used. But the turn of events as when a new bottle, which could be a limited edition with La Dolce Vita and Thandeka Shabalala, sort of a signature kind of a thing, is introduced. And one thing that I've realized about that is that this bottle, it has like strong connection with Italy. If you know like history, Southern Italy is known to have lemons, and lemons is part of the Mediterranean cuisine, which is part of Italy. But the most important thing there that we could see from this kind of Chilla's Punch is that as written La Dolce Vita. What does it mean? In simple terms, it means sweet life. And who has a sweet life? Thandeka. We've seen one of them. What is it? The routines that she does in the morning. She was talking about, let me start my day sweet with what, and she enjoy luxurious life. And that's what it means. Like Dolce Vita, in essence, it means living in luxury, soft and happily. That's what exactly it means. And for me, I'm questioning myself that was were people not lying when they were saying that Chilla's Punch did sponsor Thandeka's homecoming? Because McG never confirmed anything like with relation to working with Thandeka. But remember that Thandeka is a Big Brother housemate, and for the rest of the year, she is attached to the Big Brother tag because she's still in the contract of those Big Brother top 5 or top 6, something like that, if you know what I mean. So, and Chilla's Punch is the official drink sponsor of Big Brother. So are we being used to actually just promote these things online by causing divisions where there are not divisions? Because I'm telling you, Thandeka was struck when the ambassadors were announced, and she was not announced as a brand ambassador. Bonso, come on. So just curious, you guys, like, do you feel like this La Dolce Vita thing is a limited edition, or is something that they have totally introduced to like Chilla's Punch? Because guys, I can't watch podcast and chill. It's long, and whatever my G talk about, I'm not really that interested. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section with your opinion. My name is Bonto if you're new here, and I'll see you on Monday. And I promise you, from this week going forward, we're gonna have our normal 12 p.m. uploads in the midday. You know me, I'll be doing those sit downs. Yeah.